On today's episode, we've got the Vikor Industries dish lights, we've got some weather shields, we've got a wireless charger, and we've got floor mats that have been fitted up already. But I'm going to show you guys now how I did it. Got the weather shields, floor mats, and a couple of lights. They're going to go up on there. Weather shields I've done before on the N70. It's got all of them with 3M tape already applied, and an instruction booklet, which instructions say wipe it down with an alcohol wipe, stick it on. Pretty easy. Let's get into it. These little ridges here are the line of the car. Lined up into place. Don't do that. Sticky. Press down hard. One. Bang done. Two. Done. Lined up. Stick on. Line that front piece again. Make sure it's dead level, straight, whatever you want. Stick it on. Bang done. That is weather shields done. Next. He said there was other stuff in here. Light brackets and what's this? Wireless charging pad. How good. Middle section, passenger side. So passenger and drivers. So what I wanted to show you was, this is an aftermarket floor mat. This is your factory floor mat. Big difference. You can clearly see one of the bigger differences is the thickness and the quality of it. That's floppy, flimsy, that's quite sturdy and strong. And if you look up close, there's a big difference there. Big difference. So this one is going in the bin, get the new ones. These ones slot straight into place. And yeah, that's cool. I'll get you in here, hang on. Much nicer than the old ones, but it still retains the factory turn knob, so that locks them into place. That's a much nicer look, I reckon. Both sides. How good. And we've got the back to go. You pull this out. I like this one because it actually did fit pretty well, but it's not that thick, it's quite thin. Oh yeah, that's a snug fit. That is a ripper. That fits nice. I'm gonna have these always in my car, always. But this is meant to be a solution to fix that. So this is a wireless charging pad that sits in here somehow. And we've got an adapter plug, which is probably gonna replace the point here. Now I've had to get in here before, and it was a matter of pulling this section out like this, which brings us into here. That's going to plug into that point. Off the back of your cigarette lighter, you can just pull it down a little bit and it gives you a double adapter point. So out of the cigarette lighter is this little plug. We then get our female end, plug the female end in there, and then the male end will go back into cigarette lighter point, which then leaves us with our 12-volt accessory tap out. From there, we're going to be fitting this in here and running our plug up into there. So I'm guessing, yeah, it's going to fit in that way. Let's drop the glove box, might make things a little bit easier. We'll see if we can reach around here. We can get up into the back here. Okay. That's good. If we run that along there, tuck this in here, tuck our cable along here. Glove box goes back in. Everything is back in. So now turn accessories on. We've got a blue flashing light, so we're obviously up and running. So let's give it a test. It says charging. We are charging. We've got a wireless charging pad. Next on the to-do list is the Vikor bonnet lights. So these come as two separate lights and it comes with your under bonnet mount bracket. So it's got your two factory mounting holes for under the bonnet and then one for your new lights to be mounted. I'm guessing if that was a bigger hole, you'd probably be able to mount like a UHF or something like that. But this is what we're going to use under the bonnet. Need gas struts. That'd be handy. That one is going to mount to this side. So there's two little nuts that just go either side within the bracket and then just a bolt to fit to the actual bonnet mount. So that's all set up, ready to go. Let's get it on. Out the back, down, and up top. Let's have a look. We want to cable tie that. So guys, that's it. We've done the bonnet lights, the ditch lights, whatever you want to call them, the weather shields, the floor mats, and the wireless charger. There is 4 simple ways to be able to upgrade your N80 Hilux. We're gonna have to wire these up, get them out and have a bit of a test, but I've also got the light bar up on top that I need to test out also. So I'm gonna put these to a separate switch. They're currently not wired up yet, but they will be wired up soon. So I'll be able to do a full test on that this week. Off to get suspension, wheels and tyres, and I'll transform the whole new look of it. Oh, g'day guys. No, we're not Mac and TJ. We're not Paulie. Let's scan the QR code and see what it comes up with. Installation instruction videos. Right, so it's not on there.